Hello and welcome to Live Speaking. In this tutorial, we will give you some tips for using Zoom in live speaking lessons. In live speaking lessons, remember to join a lesson through a computer, laptop or a tablet, not a cell phone. Start your lesson on time. Always have your microphone on. Always have your video on. Make an effort to participate actively in the lesson. Speak English at all times. Please note that if you arrive more than 5 minutes late or don't keep your video on, your teacher may not include you in the lesson. When you join a lesson, make sure that your name appears, not someone else's. If it does not, click on the 3 dots at the top right of your picture and select Rename, then enter your name. Turn on your microphone. Turn on your video. Remember, if you don't, your teacher may not include you in the lesson. If you have a problem, send your teacher a message in the chat box. When your teacher shares their screen, it's a good idea to go to View on the top right and select Side by Side Gallery. This will allow you to see all your classmates. During a lesson, you must keep your microphone and video on for the whole lesson. If your teacher asks you to draw on the screen or a whiteboard, use the tools in the toolbar. Sometimes the teacher will use breakout rooms to break the class into smaller groups in order to have a discussion. When the teacher invites you to a breakout room, click Join to enter. You will receive a message informing you when the breakout room is going to close. You now know how to use Zoom in your live speaking lessons.